We all know how much important oil is for hair nourishment, but we are also aware of the fact that how inconvenient it is to apply hair oil every single day, isn't it? We cannot go out, we have to stay at home without properly washing our hair with shampoo. So, from the name itself, it's very much evident that the purpose of launching Pantene Oil Replacement is to replace the old or the ancient remedy of applying hair oil with this one. So, I have been using this product since 3.5 weeks and more. So, I am going to share my experience in the form of review. And if you want to know whether this product is a hype or a high five, stay tuned with me. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down here and also press the bell icon. Yeah, don't forget to press the bell icon. Yeah, let's just get started with the video. Oil replacement is available in two different sizes. I have with me the smaller one because I just wanted to give this one a try before investing in a bigger quantity. So the smaller one is 80 ml and it is for rupees 85 INR, and the bigger one or the bigger size one is 180 ml, which retails for rupees 150 INR. These are very easily available at any local offline stores as well as online sites. If possible, I will insert few online purchase links down in the description box in case if you are interested, you can go and check them out. Talking about the texture and the consistency of the product, it's very creamy and the formula is completely non-sticky and non-greasy, which is great. If you apply it to your dry hair, you don't have to wash off your hair and then go out, unlike oil, so which is great. Environmental pollution, heating, styling, chemically treating our hair, coloring, etc. does a lot damage to our hair. So this product basically provides nourishment and it has multiple benefits. The first one is my favorite one, is that it immediately detangles your hair just on application. And how to apply it is very simple. Just take walnut size and rub it between your palms and then apply it to the entire length of the hair or to the specific tangle area. Don't apply to the scalp because this is not meant for scalp. This is just for the hair length. So comb your hair and immediately that tangle vanishes. So apart from detangling our hair, it also removes the frizziness instantly and gives a manageable, soft and shining hair immediately on application. You can use this before shampoo, after shampoo, anytime as no rinse conditioner. Also, you can use it on your dry hair, on your wet hair, damp hair, whichever is convenient for you or whichever way you want to use this. Also, this product claims that you can use this before styling your hair. Before From now onwards, I am definitely going to buy the biggest size of this product. So let me know what you think about this. So that's all in my today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also press the bell icon to never miss any of my videos. Do press the bell icon along with the subscribe button. Comment down below if you have any video requests or whatever you feel about this product, if you already have used this. So yeah, we'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.